You can use industry groups to indicate the type of industry your contacts belong in, for example, the retail industry or automobile industry. Using industry groups on contacts is a two-step process. First, define the industry group code. You only have to perform this step once for each industry group. Once you have an industry code, you can start to assign the code to contact companies. The industry group defines the type or category of the group, such as advert for advertising or press for TV and radio. You can have several industry group codes. To define an industry group code, you use the industry group window. To find this, type industry groups into the search bar and choose the related link. Choose the new actions, fill in a code and a description. The code can be a maximum of 11 characters and can be any combination of numbers and letters. To assign industry groups to a contact from the Industry Groups window, click on the Number of Contacts link beside your newly created industry group. Click New and then the Assist Edit button on the blank contact number field. Fill in this field with your chosen contact and continue to fill the lines below with as many contacts as you would like. When you return to the Industry Groups page, you will see that the number of contacts has changed to show the number of contacts within that group.